Alright, nanobabo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? Welcome to Earn Pampanga. For today's video, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Porac, Pampanga, and kasama natin si Ma'am Karen. If you recall, Ma'am Karen, 2019. So that was like 3 years ago. Roll back lang tayo. Ayun, kasama natin si Ma'am Karen sa may
Fiesta Communities Dapdap.
Yan. So you've mentioned your brand. Ayan. So welcome po dito sa may Fiesta Communities, Porac, Pampanga.
Yes.
But now we are introducing a new brand.
A new brand.
Yes, a new name.
New name.
Yes.
Actually, this is our Prime by Fiesta Communities. So, hindi naman talaga tayo lumayo.
Correct.
We've just introduced a brand, a project, no, that sabi nga natin from our launching.
Yes.
It's a culmination of our 15 years of hard work in the
Fiesta.
business.
Yes.
And what's good about our project, kaya sinabi rin natin siyang Prime, no?
Yes.
Kasi nga, in terms of our location, in terms of our product, and in terms of our amenities, ay talaga namang prime ang i-deliver natin sa ating mga future buyers natin dito sa project natin. So much, Sir Louie, and so we're in Pampanga for featuring us again.
Yes.
Again, I'm Fiesta Karen. So, we're here at our model unit, a single detached unit.
Yes.
Ang ating single detached unit, this is a 88 square meters in terms of lot and 66.5 square meters naman in terms of our floor area o yung ating usable area.
Correct.
So, currently, we're here at our living area or living room. So, usually, dito natin ini-entertain yung ating mga guests, mga bisita, at syempre, ating mga kapamilya. Dito rin tayo nagbabanding.
Correct.
Usually.
Correct.
So, what is your favorite part of your house? Sir
Actually,
Louie?
yes. First is my bedroom, of course.
Yes.
And then next is the living room area. Because, yun nga, you can actually slouch dito, di ba? Use the couch and yung mga entertainment unit din natin, you can also use there.
Tama yan.
Correct.
And of course, after a long day, no, ng pag-visit mo sa mga different establishments,
Yes.
to feature them, for sure, gusto mong humilata pagdating dito sa living
You are
area.
correct.
Okay.
Yes.
After our living area, punta naman tayo sa ating dining area.
Okay.
But by the way, Sir Louie, another feature ng ating single detached, we have 2 toilet and bath.
Whoa!
Yes. So, one here at ground floor and the other naman sa taas.
Second level.
Yes, sa second floor. So, yung toilet and bath natin dito sa ground floor, pwede siyang gamitin, of course, ng titira at ng mga guests natin.
Correct.
And it is located here. So, this is our first toilet and bath.
Yes.
Dito sa single detached natin. And after our toilet and bath, dito naman ang ating dining area at ang ating kitchen area. So, as you can see, nakapaglagay tayo dito ng 8-seater.
Yes.
So, maluwag pa rin.
Ibig sabihin, ma-accommodate talaga niya yung even up until an 8 kumbaga, member family.
Tama. So, lalo na tayong mga Filipinos.
Accommodating tayo sa mga bisita rin eh.
Yes, we're very hospitable and syempre yung mga extended families natin, gusto rin natin nakakasama natin during dinner, during lunch. So, it's a good place, no? It's a good area for our dining area. And this is our kitchen area.
Yes.
So, kung mapapansin natin, we have our countertop here. May cabinets na din. So, in place actually yan para sa ating gas range and ang ating refrigerator. So,
disclaimer lang tayo, ma'am. So, house tour na to. Ano po ba yung mga included at saka not included na mga appliances?
Yes. Definitely, for the furnitures and appliances, hindi sila kasama.
Correct.
But for our countertop, ayan, our sink and our cabinets, kasama yan sa ating bahay.
I think isa rin sa mga magtatanong is, ma'am, saan nyo nakuha yung mga kortina nyo?
Pwede nyo i-click na.
May e-commerce tayo dyan.
Oo,
anyway.
may mga tayo dyan.
Wow, great place, no? Compact but still spacious.
Yes. Going to our second floor, by the way, Fiesta Louie, I would just like to give some details to our buyers. And emphasis to our buyers. This particular unit kasi is featured and introduced to our other Fiesta Communities projects. But this time around, dahil nga sabi natin, this is a prime project and the product that we improved and upgraded to cater to our buyers.
Yes.
May mga features tayo na in-improve din natin. So some of which, yun nga, may mga in-add tayo na mamaya ipapakita ko pa sa'yo. And pagdating naman sa loob ng bahay, yung tiles natin, from white, color, kinonvert natin ito into beige color. And then another one is our stairs.
Which is really important.
Yes, really important. Kasi nga, gusto natin talagang safe, no? Safe yung lalo na para sa mga may anak, no, dyan. Safe yung pagpaba natin.
At the same time, comfortable po.
Exactly. So, wider na yung ating rail pagdating dito sa ating stairs, going to our second floor, na katulad din ng isa sa magandang feature ng ating unit dito sa single detached. This is a 3-bedroom unit. And yung sinabi ko sa'yo kanina, we have another 1 toilet and bath here. So, start natin sa ating bedroom 1. So, this is our bedroom 1.
Wow. I'm really impressed, ma'am, with floor area, a lot area of 88. And you were able to come up with 3 bedrooms.
Tama, yes.
Galing.
And gusto rin kasi natin is, of course, yung privacy ng family. That's why we always look forward to those designs na talagang lahat ng mga rooms natin nasa taas.
No need for a partition, for a renovation, mga ganyan. Siguro enhancement na lang talaga, no?
Exactly. Parang, actually, ang isa sa mga natin dito, bentahan natin dito is yung lilipat ka na lang talaga.
Lipat na lang. Okay, so this is the first room. Sige po, please.
Yes, bedroom 1. And this is our bedroom 2. So, maraming in terms of ventilation, in terms of yung space ng mga bedrooms natin, marami ka pang malalagay na mga furnitures. And of course, yung ating mga beds dito.
I also noticed, ma'am, medyo high ceiling tayo.
Yes.
So you can actually include yung parang, what do you call it, parang hovering cabinets.
Yes.
Diba? Kung ganon.
Kaya, nasa mga buyers na natin kung paano pa nila gusto
imagination nila and creativity.
Improve, i-design yung kanilang bahay.
So this one is a little bit bigger from the previous one. And then now we're going to
our master's bedroom. So let's go to the master's bedroom. So this is our master's bedroom. Kita mo naman, napakaliwanag. Well ventilated.
So you have 3 windows actually. On each walls.
And dito sa master's bedroom natin, yan, pwede ka makapaglagay ng full-size bed. Furnitures also, cabinets also, and yan, kung ano pa yung mga gusto natin mga furnitures.
I think this side, sa imagination ko, you can have like a huge LCD TV. No, medyo rearrange mo na lang yung bed mo and then you have your own theater system.
Yes. Minsan kasi pagdating sa mga families or mag-asawa, if they want to rest, talagang yan, isa sa mga gusto rin nilang ilagay sa master's bedroom nila is, yun nga, entertainment.
Amazing.
And gusto ko rin ipakita, sana natin. Isa sa magandang feature din, in-upgrade din nating feature pagdating sa unit natin is, dati, ang still casement tayo of our window na binubuksan natin ganun. Although that's 100% din naman na wind o hangin na pumapasok. This time around, owning ang ating window. Pakita natin siya. Ayan. So, owning ang window type natin.
Tawag dyan, owning.
Yes. And dito, 100% pa rin ang hangin na pumapasok sa loob ng bahay natin. And the good thing about here also, Fiesta Louie, is pag umuulan. So pag umuulan, dahil nga owning
parang
siya.
canopy na siya.
Yes. So hindi papasok yung ulan o tubig sa loob ng bahay. So isa sa mga magandang feature din ng ating bahay yan dito.
Alright. Lastly, guys, is of course yung toilet and bath natin dito sa taas.
Yes.
Wow.
So we have a common toilet and bath para sa ating mga families na titira dito, of course. So, yan. Pwede yung gamitin, of course, ng ating family members dito sa second floor. So, that's another toilet and bath.
Alright, so that was our tour for the first level.
Yes.
Sabi mo kanina, ma'am, may papakita ka sa amin na bagong improvement. So, baba tayo ulit?
Baba tayo.
Alright, so yun guys, we are back dito po sa first floor. And right now, we are going to have a tour dito naman sa mga isa sa mga gusto ng mga home buyers din is of course yung naiikutan yung bahay nila, ma'am, di po ba? So, sige po, let's have a tour of your improved amenities ng bahay.
Yes. Katulad nga ng sabi natin kanina, meron tayong mga featured, new features pagdating dito sa ating single detached unit. And isa dyan ay ang ating lanay.
Oh.
Yan. So, we Filipinos, we wanted to enjoy, more of our bondings pagdating sa mga kapamilya natin. At isa na dyan, yung nakakapag-bonding tayo sa labas ng bahay natin. So, isa sa magandang feature ng bahay natin, single detached, is we have our lanay. So, covered ang lanay natin, Louie.
This is still spacious.
Yes. So, this is actually an open layout pa. So, if you want to improve, like for example, a laundry room, a kitchen,
a dirty kitchen,
pwedeng-pwede pa dito. Kaya kita mo naman, very spacious, malawak pa.
And then sa likod, you can have like yung sabitan ng laundries, di ba? So at least hindi kita sa labas yung mga ukay-ukay natin.
Tama ka dyan. Tama ka dyan. And dito, kita naman natin yan.
This is covered.
Yes, this is covered pa. So our lanay here is covered. And katulad ng sabi ko din kanina sa'yo, yung fence natin, mas pinataas pa natin. So, ang isang feature na maganda rin dito sa single detached natin is we are offering also a fence and gate.
There you go. So that's
natin.
Included, ma'am.
Yes, that's included. Right, pakita natin yung ating... This is our fence. And ito naman yung ating gate. Kung mapapansin mo, ang gate natin is both sides siya. Hindi siya yung usual or typical gates na nasa front.
Correct.
So, ayan. Nasa other area natin, we have a gate. So, this is also another feature ng ating single detached.
Yes.
A covered carport.
There you go.
So, covered na rin ang carport natin.
So, yung mga homeowners po natin ba, can they opt to like still have a gated dito sa harap or?
Well, actually, isa sa mga part ng ating restrictions or part din ng ating policy pagdating dito sa ating subdivision or prime project natin, kaya nga nilagyan na natin ng fence and gate is we wanted na isa lang yung itsura ng facade natin.
There you go.
External facade natin. That's why nilagay na namin, sinali na natin sa package.
No need for them to worry about it.
Yes, no need na. It's still secured pa rin,
Yes, actually.
Secured pa rin kahit yung gate natin is on both sides siya. Pakita natin yung isang gate pa natin sa the other side. Sabi nga natin kanina, naiikutan.
Naiikutan. Ayun, guys. Ang galing.
So, this is our next gate. Sige, pasok ka, Sir Louie. Yan. So, kanina sabi natin, malawak pa yung space sa likuran for them to...
Still spacious.
Yes, for them to improve the house. So, we're back
and then we're back.
Yeah, we're back sa may lanay.
Alright, so that was a complete tour doon sa perimeter natin and we are back kung saan tayo lumabas sa likod, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, Sir Louie.
So, that was, ayun, I think it's time for us to get inside, ma'am, to talk about more interesting details. I'm sure, excited na silang malaman kung ano po yung price natin dito.
Sure, sige, Sir Louie.
Alright, let's get inside. Alright, so finally guys, the moment of truth.
Yes.
Ayan, alam ko excited kayo na malaman. Magkano po ba yung price natin dito sa Prime?
Our introductory price, Sir Louie, right now for our open house day, for Prime, we're offering it at 2.9 million pesos.
Okay.
And open siya for pag-ibig. So sa mga buyers natin, affordable pa rin. Ang project natin, we banner it as accessible, we banner it as exclusive, and then with the amenities and features ng project natin. But still, still affordable.
Correct. So where are we located, ma'am?
We're located at Barangay Manibaug, Porac, Pampanga. Kasi tinawag din natin siyang prime and accessible kasi nga, we're just 4 kilometers, kilometers close to the city of Angeles. And 15 minutes, no? Close to our road networks, interconnected road networks natin. 15 minutes also, makapunta ka na sa Clark.
Yes.
No, going to International Airport, going to your workplace. So, malapit na malapit.
Yes. Ako naman, ma'am, nagustuhan ko dito sa Porac area is the booming economy.
Exactly.
So, this is actually one of the best place that you can invest on dahil in the near future, there will be a lot of dito naman parang mga tourist spots, even yung mga government natin,
offices,
agents, they're gonna be here as well, di po ba?
Exactly. Kaya nga we are not just inviting our local markets here, but also
outside Pampanga,
outside Pampanga, and even our OFW markets.
Correct.
Kasi nga marami ng mga developments, marami ng mga improvements ang nangyayari pagdating dito sa Pampanga, particularly in our area here in Porac.
Wow, that was an amazing information. Thank you so much. I'm really happy na you've come up with this kind of new, additional, kumbaga, it's a brother or sister ng Fiesta, di po ba? Ayan. So, ma'am, please invite our viewers to come and check out this place and invite mo na rin po sila to invest.
Yes. To all our viewers, thank you very much. Una muna, thank you very much for your continuous support for Fiesta Communities. We're actually celebrating our 15 years. And with all those years that we've been in the business, this is actually the culmination of the success, hard work of our project or our developer, now Fiesta Communities. And right now, we're having our open house. That is December 3 and 4. So we're inviting you to visit. Come and visit our new model, our single detached 2-story with fence and gate, and avail our whopping 350,000 pesos discount in 2 days. Kaya nga,
please,
sa lahat ng mga viewers natin at sa lahat ng mga followers ng We're in Pampanga, so invest na. When is the time? No? Kailan ka pa mag-i-invest? Ngayon na. Kasi nga, in 2 days, yung monthly amortization mo na nasa 19,200, pwede na, no? In 2 days kasi pwedeng mawala yung ating discount So, babalik tayo dun sa normal natin na 20,900. So, 1,600. 1,600 in a month, marami nang magagawa yun. So, again, to all our viewers, thank you very much. And please do support, avail our house, avail your future, no? So, you deserve prime, we deserve prime. Live in prime by Fiesta Communities.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Karen.
Thank you so much.
Let me end with one quote. Sabi nung nabasa ko, ma'am, is the best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago, and then the next is today.
Wow, that's nice.
Nice. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.